Okay, we are seeing common greetings in Amharic language, and the other common greetings in Amharic language is what? Is good morning. Good morning. If you want to say good morning in Amharic, it depends on the situation, okay? If the person is female, or if the person is male, or if the persons are two or more than two person, it differs, okay? But in English, if you want to say good morning, it works for all, for male, for female, or for two or more than two person, you will say good morning. But in Amharic, if you want to say good morning, for instance, if the person is female, you will say in Amharic, this is a basic alphabet D, this is subgroup of alphabet N, Nu, Ni, Na. This one is Na, whereas this one is basic alphabet A, and this is basic alphabet D, and this is subgroup of alphabet R, Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, R, and whereas this is subgroup of alphabet Sh, Shu, Shi, Sha, She, Sh, okay, Sh. So D, Na, then A, D, R, Sh, Denadersh, okay. If you want to say good morning in Amharic for a person who is female, you're gonna say what? Denadersh, okay, Denadersh. Or the other way of saying good morning is, this is subgroup of A, U, I, A, E, whereas this is subgroup of Na, Nu, Ni, Na, Ni, N, whereas this is the basic alphabet D, and this is subgroup of alphabet Ma, Nu, Ni, Ma, Mi, M, and this is subgroup of alphabet Na, Nu, Ni, Na, Ni, N, whereas this is basic alphabet A, and this is basic alphabet D, this is subgroup of alphabet R, Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, R, and this is subgroup of alphabet Sha, Shu, Shi, Sha, She, Sh, okay? N, Demen, Adesh. So, it means what? Demen, Adesh. So, if you want to say good morning in Amharic, if the person is female, you will say either Denadersh or Denadersh. These are two options, okay? Denadersh or Denadersh can be said. If the person is female, Denadersh, in order to say good morning in Amharic, Denadersh or Denadersh, okay? Denadersh or Denadersh. How about if the person is male? In order to say good morning, we will say what? Denaderk or Denaderk or Denaderk. So if the person is male, and in order to say good morning in Amharic language, we will say what? Denaderk or Denaderk. How about if the persons are two or more than two persons? In order to say good morning in Amharic language, we will say Dena Adarachu, okay? We will say Dena Adarachu or Demen Adarachu. The options are this one, okay? So in English, if you want to say good morning, if the person is male, female, or two or more than two, just you will say good morning. But in Amharic, if you want to say good morning, and if the person is female, we will say Dena Adesh, or we can say Demen Adesh. And if the person is male, in order to say good morning in Amharic, we will say Denaderk or Demen Aderk. And if the persons are two or more than two, in order to say good morning in Amharic language, we will say Dena Adarachu or Demen Adarachu. Okay? Coming to the reply. If someone says good morning, then you reply by saying good morning, right? So how can we reply in Amharic? So if someone says good morning, and if the person is female in Amharic, we'll say Denadesh or Denadesh. So how can that person reply? Or we have said that if she's female, we'll say to her Denadesh or Denadesh, and then she will reply by saying same thing, Denaderk or Denadesh, based on the person. If she is replying, if the person asks her the greeting, if the person is male, she will reply to him Denaderk. If the person asking the greeting to her, if the person is female, she will reply Denadesh. If the persons asking her the greeting are two or more than two persons, she will reply to them Denadarachu, okay? Or Denadarchu, she will say to them, okay? Or the other common reply is እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. it means thank God. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. This one is subgroup of a u e a e e. This one is subgroup of g gu gi ga gi g. This one is subgroup of z zu zi. This one is main alphabet a. This one is subgroup of alphabet b bu bi ba be b. This one is subgroup of alphabet ha aleta so no hamarwa ha hu hi ha he. This one is subgroup of a ra ru ri ra ri re. And this one is subgroup of ye yu hi ya ye. This one is basic alphabet m. This one is subgroup of alphabet sa su si sa si s. This one is main alphabet g. And this one is subgroup of alphabet na nu ni na ni n. So g z a b he. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. This is a common reply most of the time. If someone asks you ደህና አደርሽ and if the person is female, she will reply እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. Okay? She will reply by saying thank God. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. Or the other option is she can reply the same thing. If someone says her ደህና አደርሽ, then she will reply based on the person. If the person is male, she will say to him ደህና አደርክ. If the person is female, she will say to her ደህና አደርሽ. If the persons are two or more than two, ደህና አደራችሁ, she will reply same thing. Or the other common replies እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. If someone asks her ደህና አደርሽ, then she will reply እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. Okay? Also similar, if the person is male, the reply is similar. If someone says him ደህና አደርክ or እንደምን አደርክ, he will reply based on the person. If the person asks him is male, he will reply ደህና አደርክ. And if the person asks him the greeting is female, he will reply ደህና አደርሽ. And if the person asks him the greeting are two or more than two persons, the person will reply ደህና አደራችሁ. Or otherwise from these three, he will reply the common one. If someone asks him ደህና አደርክ or እንደምን አደርክ, he will reply እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. Okay? Here also similar. He can reply by saying እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. The third option, if the persons are two or more than two, will say what? ደህና አደራችሁ or እንደምን አደራችሁ. So these two or more than two persons will reply same thing. If the person asks them greeting are male, they will reply ደህና አደርክ. And if the person asks them the greeting are female, they will reply ደህና አደርሽ. And if the persons asking them the greetings are two or more than two persons, they will reply ደህና አደራችሁ. Or the common answer is whether the person asking them the greeting are male or female or two or more than two persons, they can reply by saying እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. Okay? So if a person says good morning to two or more than two person in Amharic language, he will say to them ደህና አደራችሁ or እንደምን አደራችሁ. They can reply by saying እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. Okay?